Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to check your total RAM slots, your number of free RAM slots, and then how much RAM is in each one. So you probably know you could go to the Windows settings or properties of this PC, go to About, and then see your installed RAM here. And then you might know you could also go to the System Information tool and see information there like your total RAM and total available and that kind of thing. And then also what you could do is you could go to Task Manager and click on the memory section there, and then it will tell you slots used 204. So this one has 4 total, and 2 of them have been used, but it doesn't really tell you how much each one's using, that type of thing. So what you could do for that, we got a couple of commands you could run. So this first one here is a wmic command. I'll put these in the description. So just kind of copy. You could right click to paste, press enter. So this will tell you have 4 slots right there, which is the same thing that this tells us here. Then we have this more advanced command here. Copy this and paste it. And this will tell you how much memory is in each one. So DIMM1 has 16 gigs, DIMM2 has 16 gigs. So it's like you kind of need a combination of both of these. That'll give you your total memory slots, and this will tell you how much is in each one that is actually used. This command is not going to show the available ones because it's only showing used RAM slots right there. So you could use any combination of these commands here or the task manager under the memory section to get your number of slots used, and then also how much RAM you got in each slot. All right, so like I said, I'll put these in the description here and you can try them out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.